one to this one. You know, I was at the garbage dump. I just finished there. I actually know the guy. Kind of. Not very well, but I know of him. So we dumped off the garbage and then we're headed home. I have some dishes to do. I set up the new litter box, which you would see probably before this one, maybe. I'm not sure yet because I got a haul that I'm going to do. Or it's done, I'm not sure. But today's a day off. That means it's cleaning, doing laundry. My laundry's currently in the washer right now. I set up the new litter box. I'm going to... I gotta do a book unhaul video for you guys. Because I'm unhauling in case... Because I'm trying to work my way up to moving. Which I really, 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 really want to. So, we'll see. But, oh, they got a house for sale here, too. It's a little junker, though. We don't want it. You can't have cows in town. But I'm really going through everything, really figuring out what needs to stay, what needs to go, what's garbage. Really, we're really going to clean that bloody 4x4 square. So, that's the plan. We gotta check the cows today. We gotta make sure the goats have hay. We have to run the dogs. They need a good run. I need a good walk because I'm sick and tired of sitting in a bike. I hate it. I only came back because it's more money than the hospital and I'm looking to buy a house. And that's the only reason why I decided, okay, I'll go back, and now I'm regretting it, because nothing's changed. It's the same bullshit as it was last year. He's still a dick. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. But, we'll see how long I last. I'm trying to make it to the end of August. It's July 12th today, I think. Yeah, I think it's the 12th today. So, we'll see. On the 18th, I have a retirement party. And then on the 24th, I have my older nephew's birthday. So we have to go to that. Well, you don't have to, but I'll go. I have a toy, which will be in the hall, which I'm hoping is before this one. I'm not sure, but that's kind of what we're up to today. Days off basically become... I need a bath too, really, really bad. It has to be a bath because our shower, we don't have enough water pressure. The shower doesn't work. And our water is so hard, it's corroded the shower head really bad. So you can't use it, so a bath it is. That's just how well water where we are works. Even with the softener and all that kind of stuff, it doesn't work. Like, the water is so hard, but it is what it is. So we're gonna kind of hang out, get some stuff done, get some stuff cleaned, organized. Yeah, kind of go from there. See what's up to. I took my cans in yesterday. We went to Regina, so that's why it's a haul. I didn't really film much of the in and out stuff because we really hardly went anywhere, but I do have some stuff that I will haul. And I got some shirts. This one's being one of them was $7. I said, okay, yep, I need a new shirt, so I got it. I really need new shirts. I got a new pair of pants. They're pajama pants, but I wear them like they're regular pants because my other ones need to go. They're starting to get holes in them and they're starting to go bad. So yeah, but we're gonna do a haul. And yeah, it's just kind of tidying up, getting everything clean. I gotta get supper ready. But I'm kind of gonna take you along with what I can film and what I can't, and we'll go from there. But let's head to the home. I don't know what I was trying to say, but we're gonna go home. Australian Shepherd, they say. It'll be fun, they say. till he's the hairiest one here. Come here. Not you. Come here, Red. Oh, look at all that hair. He needs to be deshedded. No! Not you! Look at all that. Stay. And I'm not grabbing him, I'm just holding it. Lay down. Stay. Look how hairy you are. Stay. You little hairy little bastard. Ain't ya? His butt's really bad. Stay. Because you got a fluffy bit. Oh, that's a pretty picture. Stay. We gotta get it now before you're mad, bud. Yeah, you got some in there. Stay. Stay. I love you. You lose 20 pounds just from hair. Stay there. Stay. Cotton batting. Look at
I think I got it, Selena.
that. Alright.
Is the bale just anything?
Uh-huh.
Makes all
this is our first load of rounds this year. We got a bunch of rounds that we got to pick. So then we got to go back out and cut hay, and then we got to bale them again. So that's what we're doing. I'm hauling the backhoe out to where we got to pick the bales. We got the forks on them, so that's what we use to pick up the bales. And that's what we're up to today. If the bale's on this side of the road, we park on the opposite. So like this bale, it's fine because we're on an approach. But he'll load this bale up. Oh, there's one down there he's got to go get by the looks of it. And then we do this all the way home. On the side, so he's gonna go in here and pick this up. And then I pull it up, so I get